Welcome to 23/1/23. That's 23rd Jan 2023's pre-open analysis, where we will be analyzing Nifty, where the Nifty will be stopping, where there will be supports and resistances. And let's look at Nifty futures to be very specific, because that is what we can trade. Nifty futures 5 minutes chart. These are the 5 minutes charts, and the market is actually going a bit on a lower side. Yes, there is a bit of volatility. If you actually happen to see, there has been a hike, and afterwards there has been a slow market, and there has been a fall in Nifty futures. Why is that? That's because of the global markets, one, and second, the markets has to lose its pace at some point of time, and that is what has happened over here as well. Nifty futures actually happened to lose its great upper move, and it happened to slow down a bit. Today is a bumper offer for everyone, because US markets have actually raised and erased all the negativities in the market. So that's because of US markets. SGX Nifty is also like a taupe. It is just racing around, and it is beating all the bears. It is shooting all the bears, and it is moving all the way upwards. SGX Nifty is showing 100 points up move, and US markets S&P 500 was up by 1.89% by guys, and Nasdaq was up by 2.86%, and Dow Jones was up by 1% on Friday. That's one of the reason that SGX Nifty is like a roaring bull as well. It's just racing around and beating all the bears, and it's making its mark as a positive day for today. That being said, this is Nifty futures. Nifty futures is going on a downer streak on Friday, and today we will see that it touches the upper circuit on the Bollinger Band. Let me give you the supports and resistances for a Nifty and where the Nifty stands as of now. So the supports and resistances for Nifty on 23rd Jan 2023 is 18,016 levels, 18,027 levels, and of course 17,858 levels and 17,780 levels. So you may see that previously I used to draw the Fibonacci retracement from the lows to the highs, but now I have drawn it from the highs to the lows. That's because the Fibonacci retracement is only good until it retraces to 61.8% levels, and that's the reason we have touched the 61.8% after drawing the Fibonacci retracement, and that's the reason we have actually changed our course on Fibonacci retracement, which we used to draw from the lowest to the highest to the highest to the lowest as of now. That's the reason a bit of change in supports, yes, of course. However, it does not change the route or course of Nifty as of now. Nifty stands at the same levels of supports and resistances, a bit changed. However, you will actually see a lot of support at this 18,016 levels, where it has actually stopped, which is the Fibonacci retracement support, and the 18,100 levels, and 18,016 and 18,027 and 17,991 and 17,858 and 17,780 are the levels of support. And what are the resistances we have to actually look at? The median of Bollinger Band is a resistance as well, 18,167 levels, and 18,200, 18,202 and 18,250, 18,332 levels, and 18,408 to 411 levels are the levels of resistances we are actually looking at in Nifty. So where is Nifty actually going from here onwards? It has taken support at 18,016 levels, and now is the time where it has to actually go upwards. So the upward trajectory is towards the 18,411 levels. where Nifty may see going in future sessions. I can't predict the future, but I can predict the charts. So 18,411, where is the Nifty probably going? And Nifty futures may be bit volatile for today and tomorrow, of course day after tomorrow, because Thursday is the time when it had to expire. Since Thursday is a holiday, Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, and we are actually going to expire. That's the Nifty futures is going to expire on the day of 25th Jan, and we will see some volatility in the markets in this particular week. So please strap on your belts and accept that there will be volatility, and the effect may be a bit blasters, and it may be a bit bizarre as well. There may be sporadic highs and sporadic lows. Let's see if Nifty is actually going on a upper scale in today's session, if it can hold. And of course the 20-day EMA, which is at 18,071 levels, those will be a bit of resistance as well. I think we will scale above this particular level in today's gap up opening. However, this 18,071 will be a support if it scales upwards, or resistance if it is below this particular level. And yes, to recap, today's Nifty supports and resistances for 23rd Jan 2023 are at the levels of 18,016 and 18,027 levels, and 17,991 levels, and 17,858 and 17,806 and 17,780 levels are the supports, where are the resistances 18,000 or 18,200 levels, 18,250, 18,332 and 18,408 are the levels of resistances you have to actually look for 23rd Jan 2023. 23/1/23. Today probably will be a great day for the bulls, and it will be actually going on the northern territory as of today. That's the Nifty pre-open analysis. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give a like if you really like this video, share this video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, and I will actually see you in the 78.6% great accurate strategy which I have actually given. Here is the proof. Let's see you in this video. Look at this accurate strategy and inculcate it in a daily trades, and you will actually make a lot of money with this. So I will see you in this particular video, where I'll give you a lot of proofs to prove that this strategy is greatly working. I will see you in this video.